key points. Whatever we have seen in the previous slide. So here, empathy. Understand the target user. Suppose if you are in the user position, what is the requirement? So like that we have to think. So empathy. Next, define. Describe what does the user need. Okay. So if you are in the user position, what is the requirement? Like that we have to think. First one is empathy. Next, define. It describes what does the user need. User problem. Next, ideate. If the user has a problem, next, to solve that problem, you must have the idea. So in that case, generate the solution, ideas, and be creative. Okay, your ideas to solve the problem. Next, from this idea, note down the more number of ideas. Okay. Next, filter those ideas and take one or two to solve the problem. So here you can write more number of ideas. Here quantity over quality at first. Next, break assumptions and think creatively. So next, after idea you are making the prototype and you are testing that one. So build simple and quick models of ideas. Next, test them with real users. Learn and refine solutions. Next, already I explained after making a prototype. So collect feedback early and often and use it to refine and improve designs. Suppose if there are some mistakes in the prototype, so you got the feedback and again you have to update that and you have to introduce again prototype. Again you have to test and get the feedback from the user. Okay, if it is satisfactory, then you can make in large quantity. Okay, otherwise you have to make the update in the prototype. Next, evaluation. Measure impact and effectiveness. Continue iterating for improvement. It is a iterative process. Okay, take feedback and update. After getting the satisfactory results, then only you have to produce in large quantity. So here in real world applications, healthcare, education, alternative to plastic straws. Alternative. So next, user research. User point of view, you have to do the research. So here consider the user needs. Okay. So next, who are using the straws and including durability. Suppose you want to make the coconut leaf straws, what about durability? And next, size and aesthetic preferences. Okay. Okay, like this you have to empathize. Okay, health point of view also you have to check. If you are a user, what are your preferences? Okay, like that you have to test this one, empathize. Next, define. So here, breaking the challenge. So clearly define the problem as creating a functional, biodegradable and aesthetically pleasing drinking straw from coconut leaves. Okay, define that one. The next, identify key requirements. What are the requirements to make the coconut straw? Okay, so determine the desired length, diameter, and durability of the straw. Suppose you made the coconut leaf straw, what about durability? Okay, so initially it is working properly. After 10 days, dashboard. So you have to check that one. That is the importance of prototype. Okay.